Alright, let's dive into the problem at hand. So, the issue we're facing here is setting the checkbox values in an HTML table based on the numeric values retrieved from the table cells. The existing JavaScript code snippet works well for other types of input fields, but we're having trouble with checkboxes specifically. The alerts generated in the code correctly display the values from the table cells, but translating those values into checkbox states is where we're encountering a hiccup. Now let's focus on the solution provided. The key part of the solution lies in utilizing the parseInt function to convert the content of the table cell into a number. Then, by using in front of this parsed number, we effectively turn it into a Boolean value. This Boolean value can then be assigned to the checked property of the input checkbox, determining whether it should be checked or unchecked based on the original numeric value. The JavaScript snippet provided further enhances the solution by listening for a click event, targeting the clicked row in the table, and highlighting it as selected. It then retrieves the content of the cell containing the checkbox value and updates the checkbox state accordingly by converting the content to a Boolean, as discussed earlier. The CSS part of the solution ensures that the selected row stands out visually by changing its background color to silver, providing a clear visual indicator to the user. In the HTML structure, a form with a checkbox input is employed, along with a table containing the rows with relevant data. This structure complements the JavaScript and CSS functionalities to create a cohesive user experience. To wrap things up, we've effectively addressed the problem of setting checkbox values in an HTML table based on table cell content. By following the solution's approach of converting values to Boolean and updating the checkbox state accordingly, we've achieved the desired functionality. Remember, JavaScript is powerful, but knowing how to wield its features effectively is key. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on this checkbox challenge. Happy coding!